Hello everyone, I'm Lily and welcome back to our SingularXYZ FAQ series. Today we are going to introduce how to find SingularXYZ resources and get support easily. We have upgraded our official website and made more convenient features to help you better understand and get started with our solutions. Now let's break it down into several scenarios. First, checking product specifications. If you want to see product parameters, just visit the product page and scroll down. There you will find the latest specifications and the link to download the datasheet under the resources section. Second, learning how to use the product. To get started quickly, go to Support, download the Center, Menus, and search for your product model. Or for a faster and more visual way, visit Support Video Center. Tutorial videos to watch step-by-step guides, from beginner's basics to advanced tips. Then, upgrading firmware or software. If you need the latest updates, go to Support, download Center, firmware and software to download the latest versions for your device. Next, exploring user tips and skills. Besides this, our website also offers blog and FAQ sections. Here you will find industry knowledge and practical user tips. You can enter keywords into the search bar to quickly locate related blogs. Last, getting direct support. If your question still isn't solved, don't worry. Go to Support, contact Support. You can fill out the online form to describe your question or reach us directly by email or Teams. That's how you can easily access the resources and support from SingularXYZ website. Thanks for watching and see you next time.